I'm here with my beautiful model Hamidah. We're going to show you how to create the most divine glowing makeup look for anyone who wants to create a universally flattering rosy pink fresh look to enhance your natural beauty. I'm so excited to reveal these new products from Charlotte's Look of Love. First up, I want to talk to you all about Magic Serum. This gives your complexion the most incredible glow and it's packed with skincare benefits. I've worked the serum in and now I'm applying with Charlotte's Magic Cream. This rich plumping texture is incredible for creating a dewy makeup base that allows your makeup to glide on effortlessly. When I'm working on a bride, I put this everywhere that skin will be showing. It makes your whole body look glowing. I always leave the eye area free of Magic Cream so that I can glide on eye cream, really focusing on the bone so I don't get too close to the eye itself. Magic Eye Rescue smooths and brightens the eye area like magic. We're following the skincare with Charlotte's Hollywood Flawless Filter, which is an incredible layer of glow for a bridal look. It's literally like wearing a social media filter in real life. It gives you an amazing radiance while still looking fresh, smooth and natural. The foundation I've chosen today is Airbrush Flawless Finish. Because I want that flawless, poreless look that will look absolutely perfect on camera, a little goes a long way with this. I like to dot it over any redness or imperfections, then blend using my Magic Complexion brush. Next up, concealer. Hamidah's skin is already looking insanely beautiful, but when you're dealing with flash photography and makeup that needs to last all day, this concealer is your best friend. I'm loving using a fluffy brush to gently buff this out around the eye area. Now I just want to trick the light and make the face look super smooth and soft focus around the T-zone. So I'm using Airbrush Flawless Finish powder to set. On to brows. I'm taking the new Brow Cheat in Soft Brown and first brushing up the hairs to create a lifted shape, then filling in any areas that need a bit of fullness and definition. This has a tiny micro precision brush, so it's great for mimicking the look of your natural hairs. I love a really full feathered brow, so I'm going to hold that in place with Charlotte's new Brow Fix. This is my new obsession. It has silk threads in the formula that almost stretch and hold your brows in place, and it lasts all day. Now it's time for the Instant Look of Love in a palette, which is really a multi-purpose product. It's 7 easy steps to make you look like the most beautiful version of yourself. First, I'm going in with this Rosy Sparkle Prime shade and blending that all over the eye. Can you see how much that brightens and widens the eye area? You can wear this on its own. Then I glide that along the lower lash line, focusing on the inner corner, before taking the Caramel Matte Smoke shade and nesting that into the outer corner and crease. I like to use my finger to pick up the Intense Shimmer shade and press that into the center of the lid. It instantly makes your eyes look bigger and it's so flattering in pictures. I really want to make Hamidah's eyes pop, so I'm drawing along the waterline with the Peachy Nude Eye Cheat eyeliner. And I'm going to complement that with Charlotte's classic brown eyeliner along the upper lash line. Just brushing along the root of the lashes and extending up and out into the outer corner for a soft feline flick. I'm popping on my favourite Swede individual lashes and drawing along the upper lash line with the Hollywood Exaggerized pencil to make it look really seamless. Then coat the lashes with Pillow Talk Push-Up Lashes Mascara for a really fanned out, fluttery look. I've chosen a delicate nude pink from the Look of Love lipstick collection. So first I'm going to line the lips with Pillow Talk, overlining ever so slightly to create that full rose petal pout. Then glide on the Matte Revolution lipstick in Wedding Bells. This is such a stunning pinky nude shade and it really does suit everyone. You just need to alter your lip liner to help it blend into your skin tone and create a gorgeous kissable nude pink effect. To contour, I'm gliding the soft tan shade from the Look of Love palette beneath the cheekbones and over the temples. This is the same formula as Charlotte's iconic Film Star Bronze and Glow, so you will love this. And this pinky peach blush is the perfect shade to mimic the skin's natural flush. I apply it to the apples of the cheeks for an instant brightening effect. Finish by blending the highlighter shade over the high points of the face for a candlelit love look. Mist the face with Charlotte's Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. It holds everything in place for up to 16 hours and makes your makeup look fresh and flawless too. This is such a pretty, alluring, flattering beauty look with fresh rosebud shades that work for day, night, wedding days or every day. Swipe up to get your look of love on charlottetilbury.com now.